My name is Harry Pawella. I'm 18 years old and I'm doing a T-level course in Digital Support Services, Hardware and Security. So I chose T-levels instead of other options like BTECs, A-levels and apprenticeships because T-levels you do the theory and hands-on work as well. I've developed practical skills on this course like problem solving, communicating and boosting my confidence and being more social with other people as well. The work placement, I did a lot of things with lots of different teams like networking and telecoms, deployment teams, and you basically get to meet new people and learn about what their day-to-day life is all about. Builds a lot of skills, communicating skills, and boosts your confidence to talk to people you've not met before. I would highly recommend T-levels if you're looking into wanting to do theory and practical at the same time, so I think it's really good to go into.